So I wanted to just quickly show everyone how you can change the notification settings for the different communities that you belong to on NASN. So once you log in, and you can see that I'm logged in by my cute little face right here. If you click on your face and select your profile, it'll take you to the profile page. And so this is on my profile. It has all my information. And down in the middle section of it, there's one that's called My Account. If you select My Account and go to Community Notifications, it'll then list all the different communities that you belong to. So scroll down a little bit, and then so you can see all the different communities that I'm in and what I have things set for right now. So like for board of directors, because I want to make sure I get all that information, I have set for real time. So although the all member forum just tells me the next day everything that was posted from the day before, for board of directors, I want to know immediately when something's posted so I can act on it. I've also chosen that for executive committee for several of these. And then, so if you keep going down, there's one that's called Strategic Goal Committee, Healthy Communities. And if you click on the little caret to the right of the different choices, you can either get no email, daily digest, which I think some folks have now, which means you won't get those emails until the following day, or real time. So in the case of the Strategic Healthy Communities, it would be great if everyone could select real time. We don't have a lot of activity on this. And that way, because I'm delinquent in sending out information about an agenda for that day, that means that you would get that notification right away. So just again, if you are on the nasn.org, so you've logged in and you're at the main page, my internet's slow here at school, you can just select your picture that shows you're logged in, select profile, my account, community notifications, and then scroll down to strategic goal community healthy community, and just make sure that real time is selected for that one. And once that's done, you have it selected. You don't have to save anything, and you're all set. So I hope this helps, and I really appreciate if everybody could do that. It's the official way of communicating for any of our strategic groups. I asked last night at the executive committee is to use the community page for each of those different communities. So all the documents and everything are associated with it. So the plan would be then when we're on in our community, we can find everything that we need. So thank you, and I really appreciate it.